Hello Ananda. Today we can start with the in Java interfaces. What is the use of the interface? How to create an interface? We can see the one by one. Another way to achieve abstract method in Java, we are going to be using interface. With interface, we can apply the abstract class. An interface is completely abstract class that is used to group related methods. Means here related methods we are going to be grouping with empty body. With empty body we are going to be creating one empty body. Within that we are going to be adding the related methods. That is the use of the interface. Next, here how to create an interface. We need to use, if you want to create an interface means we need to use the interface is a keyword. Then give the interface name. Then open the curly braces. Within that we need to write the related methods we need to place here. That is the use of the interfaces. Whenever we are going to be creating a methods in interface, the method does not have a body. Means we are not going to be writing any statements in that interfaces. See here, we have already seen an interface is completely abstract class that is used to group related methods with empty bodies. Means group related methods we are going to be using with empty bodies. That is the use of the interface. Here we have created how many? First we need to create an interface means we need to use the interface is a keyword. Then use the interface name. See here, whenever we are going to be using the interface name, here also we need to follow some rules. What are the rules? First, whenever we are going to be giving the interface name, we need to start with the alphabet only. We can it should be two words. As an interface name means we need to combine these two words. How to combine? First word, first letter should be in capital. Second word, first letter also we need to write in capital only. Next, otherwise we need to use the underscore. Means underscore special symbol only one symbol we are going to be using. Remaining symbols it cannot be accepted here. That is the use. These are the rules we need to follow. Then whenever we are going to be giving the interface name, here we cannot use the keyword names. Means reserved words we cannot place here. Then we are going to be opening the curly brace. Then we need to creating the methods of the interfaces. How many methods? First method will be animal sound run. These are group of methods with empty body. Then we are going to be placing on where one abstract class we have created. It is similar to the class only. It should be, instead of using class keyword, here we are going to be using the interface name. To access the interface methods, the interface must be implemented. Means here we need to implement it by another class. Means whenever we need to implement a class, where we need to implement separate class we need to create, there we are going to be implementing the interface methods. And here we are going to be first we need to create a interface we need to create. Within that we are going to be placing the group of methods with empty body. After that we need to implement that methods. Where we need to implement separate class we need to create. Then we need to implement keyword we are going to be using. Extending we are going to be. Then we are going to be adding that methods in particular class. See here. Another class will be interface will be created. This one is the interface. Next we are going to be creating the one class will be created. Class is a keyword. Then we are going to be using the class name pig and implements animal means we are going to be extending the class, inheriting the data. How we are going to be implementing? By using interface name. Then we are going to be implementing the which methods? Interface methods. Means here we are going to be writing the method related executable statements here. Then again we are going to be creating the class main method. Then we are going to be displaying the object pig. Which class object we have created? New pig class object will be created. We are going to be displaying the animal and sleep method. We can see the output, how it should be displayed. See here. The pig says v zoo 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 like that. The output will be displayed like that. This is the introduction can see some important notes whenever we are going to be creating the interfaces. Like abstract classes, interfaces cannot be used to create a object. Means whenever we are going to be creating a interfaces, interface will cannot create the objects. Means how to create a object? First we need to implement, means extend the data to other class, then only we need to create a object. Which class? Extending class, not extending class, extended class will be creating the object. Interface methods do not have a body. Means whenever we are going to be creating a interfaces, methods do not have a body. Body provided by the which class? Implement class will be provided. On the implementation of the interface, you must override all of its elements. Means overriding means same method name with different elements. That is the overriding. Interface methods by default will have a abstract and public. Means interface methods whenever we are going to be creating, it should be abstract and public. Interface attributes by default public, static, final keywords we can use. And interface cannot contain a constructor. Means class name, here interface name is different, interfaces are different, constructors are different. Whenever we are going to be implementing the interfaces, we cannot create the constructors. Means an interface cannot contain the constructors as it cannot used to create the objects. Means by using interfaces, we are not going to be creating any object. That's why. Why and when to use the interfaces? How? When we are going to be using interface, what is the use we can see? To achieve the security, hide certain details. Means if you want to provide the security of the data, if you want to hide the certain data, for that we are going to be using the interfaces. To achieve security, hide certain details, only show the important details of an object, we need to use the interface. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Means Java cannot support the multiple inheritance. What is the multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means what? First one superclass is there. For that we are going to be inheriting the more than one derived class. That is called multiple inheritance. Java does not support which type of inheritance? Multiple inheritance. Class can only inherit from the one superclass. Means it should be inherit by the only one superclass, not more than one superclass. However, it can be achieved with interfaces. Means for that, to overcome this problem, we are going to be using the interfaces, because class can be implement multiple interfaces. Class can be implements by using how many number of interfaces? More than one also, hundreds of interfaces also we can use. To implement multiple interfaces, separate them with a comma. Means whenever we are going to be implementing the interfaces, each and every interface we need to separate it by the commas. This is the introduction part of the which one? Interfaces. Tomorrow we can start with the what is multiple interfaces, how to create. With example we can see.